Before we start, guys, please make sure you stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending, guys, thousands of dollars in repairs. Stay with us, we'll explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Super helpful video to any of you guys looking for a blind spot monitor, fuse and relay on Mercedes C-Class Generation W204. Stay with us, we'll explain, guys, where you can find them. You'll be working in different fuse boxes today. And guys, please do not spend your money on diagnostics and parts until you watch that video, because it might end up being quite easy fix. And if you need to buy replacement parts too at a good price, quick shipping, we'll share the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So let's start on it now. Before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us, guys. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We make mechanical repair videos, engines, transmissions, bodywork, electrical, engine, transmission codes, fuses. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission here at the garage is, guys, to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos. And guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. The blind spot monitor, guys, which fuses and relays we need to check. We need to first open the hood. We'll be working easy to get fuse boxes today, but actually, guys, you have hidden fuse boxes in that car. That's why we made a special video that's called Fuse Box Location and Diagram on Mercedes W204. Check it out, it will teach you all about that. It could save you quite a bit of money, guys. Here next to the brake fluid reservoir, you're going to have that cover. Open the clips, remove, pull the wire and the hose up, pull it out, and you have that fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's quickly explain why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, let's explain why it's super important to test fuses and relays. That way you do not spend money on diagnostics, parts, repairs you may actually not even need. So guys, you have different kinds of fuses and relays. We're talking about the maxi fuses, standard fuses right here. You have, watch how many different kinds of relays as well. Now, these fuses, sometimes you can clearly see if a fuse is burnt or not by looking at the element. But sometimes it's really sneaky. They can burn here on the side. It's hard to see. Some fuses will not be visible as well. And we had people that will spend thousands of dollars in repairs, replacing modules, even engine computers, when all they had to do, they assumed they had a good fuse. They pulled it out, they saw it, and they assumed it was good. But guys, you can easily test these fuses, and on some of these, most of them, they have even the terminals on top that allows you to check them with a voltmeter and find out if it's good or bad. You see, that's a good fuse. If it's blown, okay, like this one here, it's blown, nothing. Check this thing out, no connection. One next to it, okay. Right here, let me get good contact point. That's a good fuse, guys. You can see you can test them. Now, relays are harder to test, but with the voltmeter, fuses are super easy to test. All we have to do is set it on that setting and practically your ohm resistance setting, and you can find, guys, okay, if it works or not. For instance, that one was the good fuse. You can see it's going to go down to 0 ohms resistance, or you can go ahead, remove it and test it the same way, guys. It should have 0 ohm resistance. Now, relays, guys, are a little bit more complicated, but it's doable. It will take you a minute or two to find out how to do that. Now, we'll put, guys, links to a video that will explain how to test relays, how to test fuses, which battery terminal you need to reconnect and disconnect first if you're doing repairs, because that can cause modules to burn as well, and that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. Check out the videos, they will be in the description of the video below. So let's start on it now. So here, guys, what we have. Now, one of these fuses is quite inconvenient to get to. If you come all the way to the back side, I'm talking all the way on the back side behind the relay. Okay, let me show you now. Here, you see that fuse, guys? That's fuse number 36, that 7.5 amp fuse. That's one of them that you need to check. Then we need to come to the trunk on that Mercedes, guys. And in the trunk, we need to check a few more fuses. Now, where they're located, you need to open that cover and you have another fuse box here. Specifically here, guys, we need to check, okay, now, fuse number 57. 59, excuse me. 59, guys, will be that 5 amp fuse that you see right here. What about relays? You don't have any relays. The relay function is controlled by the SAM modules, SAM module, guys. So you will guys need to check front, rear, SAM module fuses relays video if you need help with that, but that's what we usually check here at the garage. In this Mercedes W204 you're going to have all kinds of different fuses and relays that sometimes are hard to find, and if you're in the middle of nowhere you may have a hard time finding one, guys. Replacement one, you may be stuck. It happened to us. So what we usually do, we buy some spare ones and we put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share a link where you can get them at a really good price, quick shipping. That way you do not waste money and time. That link will be in the description of the video below. Check it out for your convenience. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.